Hello everybody, and today I'm gonna use this spray for looks like a beatbox. Watch this. Tss. Oh! Okay, next one. Boom boom boom. Oh! Tss, tss. Oh! Okay. Boom boom. Hmm. Bang bang. Let's go. How about spaghetti in my ass? Hold on. Be too hard for that. Hmm. Not yet. Hold on. Oh, maybe this would be easy way. Boom boom. Okay. Ding ding. Mm mm. Boom. What else I could try? I got it, guys. Ooh. How about salt? Oh. Boink. Let's go. Now let's go head back to put this spray back to the bathroom. Ding. Bing. Let's go. Hey. Let's go. If you're not otherwise, I got some. Hey. Thank you guys for watching. Hit the subscribe and please have a good day.